The world is changing fast, as is the way we do business. Companies increasingly need ways to set themselves apart from the competitors and retain their customer base. Consider the engine of an aeroplane. Customers want reliable engines that allow planes to fly safely, not products that require frequent, costly maintenance. So, rather than selling the engines and subsequently repairing them when they go wrong, engine manufacturers now sell their power by the hour, providing all of the support and maintenance needed to ensure their engines keep the planes in the air. This means the interests of both the company and the consumer are more closely aligned, a win-win situation. For companies to remain competitive, they need to find ways to support this new way of doing business, offering not just products, but solutions and services that surround them too. But how can they do this? This is where we come in. Diversity is an EU-funded project looking to help manufacturing companies change the way they do business. Our process is easy. First, we help identify a market opportunity. A full analysis is conducted, looking at all aspects of the business. For example, this could involve looking at the company's intranet, where employees may have highlighted problems with machines used in the manufacturing process. Feedback is also collected from social media to find out what consumers really think and what they're asking for. The company's key performance indicators are also considered: energy consumption, downtime and more. We then bring together a multidisciplinary team, including members of the company, to co-design the solution concept, brainstorming new products and services that the company could bring to the market to meet customer needs. We also consider aspects of lean design, as well as successful solutions used in other projects. Evaluation of the suggested solutions then takes place, considering their likely impact and the difficulty of their implementation. In addition, we use our bespoke sentiment analysis tool to predict how people react to the new services. Detailed design of the most promising solution is then carried out, using integrated service and product design methods and tools. When everyone is happy, the revamped solution is ready for the market. As the world of business increasingly moves towards selling services instead of products, having an optimized way to do this will be essential for any company looking to get ahead. Already, Diversity has worked successfully with a number of companies, helping them to transform the way they do business. Now it's your turn. Diversity, changing the way people do business.